Hello and welcome to my latest travel video, where we're going to explore the 5 best places to visit in Italy. From the bustling city of Rome to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Let's start our journey and discover these must-see destinations. 1. Rome, the Eternal City is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, including the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Pantheon. Take a stroll through the ancient streets and feel the history come alive. There are many famous tourist attractions to visit. Rome is a city with rich history and culture, and there are many famous tourist attractions to visit. 1. The Colosseum, the largest amphitheater of the Roman Empire and a symbol of Rome's ancient history. 2. The Roman Forum, a public square and marketplace in the center of Rome, surrounded by ancient government buildings and temples. 3. Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, home to St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums. 4. Piazza Navona, a historic square lined with restaurants, cafes, and Baroque fountains, including the famous Fontana di Quattro Fiamme. 5. Trevi Fountain, one of the most famous fountains in the world, famous for its legend that throwing a coin into it ensures a return trip to Rome. As for accommodations, there are many options available, from budget-friendly hostels to luxury hotels. Some popular areas to stay in include the historic center, the lively Trastevere neighborhood, and the elegant Perioli neighborhood. For food, Rome is famous for its traditional cuisine, including dishes like carbonara, amatriciana, and saltimbocca alla romana. Some popular restaurants to try include the Enzo al 29, Osteria del Pegno, and Trattoria da Enzo al 29. 2. Florence, this city is considered the birthplace of the Renaissance and is famous for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and rich artistic heritage. Visit the Uffizi Gallery and the Duomo to see some of the most famous masterpieces of all time. Here are some of the must-visit tourist attractions. 1. The Uffizi Gallery, one of the world's oldest and most famous art museums, home to masterpieces by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. 2. The Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, the iconic red-tiled dome of the Florence Cathedral, with stunning views of the city from the top. 3. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge over the Arno River, lined with jewelry shops and cafes. 4. The Palazzo Pitti, a grand Renaissance palace, now home to several museums, including the Galleria Palatina. 5. The Borboli Gardens, the beautiful Renaissance-era gardens behind the Palazzo Pitti, with sculptures, fountains, and panoramic views of the city. For accommodations, the historic center of Florence is a convenient location for exploring the city's many attractions. The Oltrarno neighborhood is also a good option, with a more local and authentic atmosphere. As for food, Florence is famous for its Tuscan cuisine, including dishes like ribolla, a hearty vegetable soup, bistecca alla fiorentina, a grilled T-bone steak, and cantucci, almond biscuits, with vanzando, a sweet dessert wine. Some popular restaurants to try include Trattoria Forleone, Osteria La Cantina, and La Giostra. 3. Venice. Venice is a unique and historic city, built on a network of canals and filled with historic buildings, museums, and artistic treasures. Here are some of the must-visit tourist attractions. 1. St. Mark's Basilica, the stunning Byzantine-style cathedral in the Piazza San Marco, with a treasure trove of mosaics, marble, and gold. 2. Doge's Palace, the former residence of the rulers of Venice, now a museum filled with Renaissance art and stunning architecture. 3. The Rialto Bridge, one of the most famous bridges in Venice, crossing the Grand Canal and offering views of the city. 4. The Canal Grande, Venice's main waterway, lined with historic palaces and scenic views. 5. The Peggy Guggenheim Collection, a modern art museum in a palace along the Grand Canal, featuring works by artists like Pablo Picasso, Jackson Pollock, and Salvador Dali. For accommodations, the San Marco neighborhood is a convenient location for exploring the city's many attractions, but you can also consider the Dorsodero neighborhood for a more local and authentic experience. As for food, Venice is famous for its seafood cuisine, including dishes like spaghetti al vongole, spaghetti with clams, fritto misto, mixed fried seafood, and sardinsalr, marinated sardines. Some popular restaurants to try include Al Testiere, Osteria de Fiori, and Il Ridotto. 4. Amalfi Coast. This stunning stretch of coastline is famous for its dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and picturesque villages. Take a scenic drive or hike along the path of the gods and discover the beauty of this unique region. Here are some of the must-visit tourist attractions. 1. The town of Amalfi, a charming and historic town with a beautiful cathedral, narrow streets, and a picturesque harbor. 2. The town of Positano, a vertical village built into a cliff, famous for its pastel-colored houses, fashion boutiques, and scenic views. 3. The town of Ravello, a hilltop town known for its stunning views, gardens, and cultural heritage, including the Villa Ruffalo and Villa Sembrone. 4. The Emerald Grotto, a breathtaking underwater grotto near the town of Conca de Marini, with crystal clear waters and vivid green light. 5. The Path of the Gods, a scenic hiking trail along the coast, offering panoramic views of the sea and the coastline. For accommodations, you can choose to stay in one of the coastal towns, such as Amalfi, Positano, or Ravello. Each has its own unique character and attractions, so choose the one that best fits your preferences. As for food, the Amalfi Coast is famous for its seafood cuisine, including dishes like spaghetti al vongole, spaghetti with clams, zuppa di pesce, fish soup, and branzino all'acqua pazza, sea bass and crazy water. Some popular restaurants to try include La Caravella, Tajima, and Don Alfonso 1890. 5. Tuscany. This region is known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming towns and villages. Visit Florence, Siena, and Pisa, and explore the Chianti region to experience the true essence of Tuscany. Here are some of the must-visit tourist attractions. 1. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, with world-famous art and architecture, including the Uffizi Gallery, the Duomo, and the Ponte Vecchio. 2. Siena, a medieval city with a well-preserved historical center, a beautiful cathedral, and the famous Piazza del Campo, site of the Palio horse race. 3. Pisa, known for its iconic Leaning Tower, but also featuring other historic buildings, such as the baptistry and the cathedral, in the same square. 4. San Gimignano, a well-preserved medieval town with towers, walls, and cobbled streets, surrounded by rolling hills and vineyards. 5. The Chianti region, a picturesque area known for its rolling hills, vineyards, olive groves, and charming towns and villages, such as Greve in Chianti and Castellina in Chianti. For accommodations, Florence is a convenient base for exploring the region, with many historical and cultural attractions. If you prefer a more rural setting, you can consider staying in one of the charming towns or villages in the countryside. As for food, Tuscany is known for its simple, hearty cuisine based on local ingredients, including dishes like panzanella, bread and tomato salad, ribollita, bread soup, and bistecca alla Fiorentina, Florentine steak. Some popular restaurants to try include Osteria La Canteen, Trattoria Mario, and Trattoria de Bird. That's it for today's travel video. I hope you've enjoyed our journey through some of Italy's most stunning destinations. Whether you're interested in history, art, or natural beauty, Italy has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, grab a cappuccino, and let's start exploring.